no horn. This light. Connect to ground. Then remove this one and check the horn. So after remove the cover, so here's the horn, 2 connection, 1 for the ground and 1 for the supply. So disconnect this one, then get the test light. Wait, okay, do like that. Then you need to press the horn switch, and then this light comes out. The problem is the horn. So if not, there's a problem with the relay or what. So this is only the fastest way how to check if the horn is not working. So let's check. So lights coming, so means the problem is the horn. So let's replace. So here's a new one, replace. So now down installed the new horn, so let's connect now. So same ground and the supply. So let's try now. So that's it, how to troubleshoot in easiest way if your horn is not working. So you can direct here in the horn